The Ogle County Health Department investigates a whooping cough outbreak. Oregon High School has 8 positive cases. Whooping cough, known as pertussis, can cause violent and rapid coughing. Symptoms take about 5 to 10 days to develop, but can take as long as 3 weeks. In the beginning, it looks like a cold, runny nose, low-grade fever, mild cough. If you have any of these symptoms, you're urged to contact your doctor. The health department is working with the school to keep it from spreading. Experts recommend making sure your vaccinations are up to date.